We are right now at 6:57 a.m. on that opening bell, and we've had quite a nice movement. A big breakout right here. A big reversal right back down to the SMF price action line on Google. Okay. And the timestamp of it is all right here under the hood. So let us make sure that we understand that that bar right here was 9:54 a.m. And these were the breakout bars that occurred over here, and they happened at 9:33 Eastern Time a.m. And we, at that time, had a very teeny expansion in price action and teeny contraction right back with a big one teeny, two teeny bounce. That puts me in that name long, and it applies to everything, and I'm coming right back up in that price action. And when I get right back over here, I was able to buy those calls down here again at the low end of the price print here, and now selling out again on the highs over here. Okay, the last prints were 1880 out, 1880 on the high. And the thing about it is balancing the 580 call option and the 590 put based on directional price action movement here. That's the breakout, and then the teeny contraction in the market maker platform allows you to make these opening position management squaring on the opening bell in the first 20 minutes of that price action between the public buyer and seller, and how they go up in value or hold value in the 580 call. And then also understanding that when we are ticking up here, the 590 put is losing premium here, and the call premium is holding over here based on directional movements. And we will visit this trade, as we will make markets all day. We are market makers in the option pit. So we make markets here, and we also make markets here. And we get this transaction long, we get it short, so we get paid twice. And then we get paid by trading the other side of the markets twice. Sounds like you could get paid 4 or 5 times on that opening bell as an MMT market maker, that is. That's not a public model. Let's let it be known. And let's understand that part of it. So the thing that we're going to see is how we can consolidate. And if we break higher here, we're putting higher highs in, and we can see how the markets are weighted based on this 3-minute price action bar right here. See, 18 by 1830, and this is holding the 50 by 80, 30 cents wide on the call. And look at over here, 30 cents wide, 30 cents wide, 18 by 1830, 1810 steps in. Why? Because we're not breaking out at price. So he's upped his ante, but we're still holding over here. They're giving a little bit of a premium just based on that holding support right there. MMTs. This is a beautiful thing about being an option market maker, MMT. Let's let it be known on this very day, on this very opening bell, in the first 30-minute price action bell at 700 a.m., 1000 Eastern, 3/31/2011. Price action on the 580 call, 590 put, long the equity, short the equity. And how you can do this as a market maker versus your public model. Or if you're tired of that and you've had enough misery and pain, then I would think I would get over here and learn what the SMF MMT Market Maker School is about. In the price action, the truth is here, not after the fact. I'm going up in value here, and I'm dropping value here based on that 3-minute price action breakout off of the double bottom, one up, double debit, debit long, debit short, debit long, 2-to-1 debit to the long side of the market, 2-to-1 debit to the long side of the market. This side of the market's losing value. The call side of the market's going up because that's breaking higher. This is what we call truth. This is what we call truth. And truth powers confidence in the public. The public doesn't know how to get that. The MMTs are empowered in their execution in making markets because of their MMT platform and how values in a 580 call and a 590 put. That's a short, that's a long. Long, short, they both move in different values. This one is getting stronger because of the 3-minute breakout bar. Isn't that so nice? And they brought the put side down is that when this holds value up here, they drop the bid over here. And it's trading long and short at wholesale entries on both sides of the market, and then trading a couple hundred shares of Google long to go with it to boot. Sounds like a pretty darn good price action MMT market maker with the truth live here today. This is not fake. This is the live prices. This is not after the fact. If you're tired of visiting places that, well, I should have done this and I should have done that, I've been watching people on TV, oh boy, well, no, that isn't going to make you money here and now. Understanding how to make markets.